Hey everyone, welcome back to another plan with me, and today we're going to be using this kit from my Etsy planner sticker shop, and I will have a link to this one below if you would like to purchase it for yourself. This kit is called the Dal Dal Factory, and this one I designed a long time ago. This one was actually inspired by one of my favorite K-beauty brands. They had a collection called the Dal Dal Factory, and I loved that one so much. I actually designed a kit based on those makeup items. So this one I think is totally one of those kits that is very niche, very specific, but I do think it has really pretty colors. And if you love K-beauty or just makeup in general, I think it definitely captures the spirit of that makeup collection. So it's been a couple weeks since I have done a plan with me. Last week I did end up putting up my Erin Condren new planner because I had just gotten it and I wanted to get that one up. So that upload took the place of my plan with me from last week. You guys know I am always trying to catch up on the plan with me's, and I don't know if I'm going to catch up. I am definitely trying my best. I think maybe if I start uploading like 2 in the weekend, maybe I will start catching up, but we will see. It's probably one of those things. It's going to take me a while, and I am definitely feeling the pressure with wanting to catch up now that the new planner is out and I have it, and it starts in July. So I definitely really want to catch up now and start using that planner, and I want to get better at using my planner in real time. So I think I might actually not skip doing the stickers, but I think I want to do more of like a functional planning method with my planner this year rather than like the memory planning or like the sticker planning like I typically do. So that is one change I am considering to start doing for this year with my new planner. And I don't know if you can hear the purring in the background or not, but my cat has just absolutely decided he is going to be sitting on my desk while I'm doing this. So if you hear any purring or little sounds in the background, it is my cat messing with everything. So like I was saying, I don't know how my plan with me's are going to look in the future if I do continue doing them. I have really enjoyed doing this type of like sit down, talk with you kind of format because I don't really do any type of other videos like this on my channel where I feel like you can hear my thoughts and opinions about like whatever topic I decide to talk about, or if you guys ever bring up a topic, what you want to hear me talk about. And I feel like you just don't get to see much of my personality outside of like the beauty realm with all my uploads on that. And of course you do get a little bit like in my Nancy Drew books, but this is the only like series on my channel where I feel like it's really just truly all about me and what I think and whatever I feel like talking about in the moment. But on the same side of the coin, I feel like it's one of those things that I'm not able to keep up with the planning, like the memory planning like I have been doing in the way that I want to do it. So I just kind of want to focus on trying to use my planner in a very different way this year. So it's going to be one of those experimental years for my planner and seeing like what I like and what I want to do. I have primarily been doing this same type of format of my planner for the last almost 10 years. That's kind of crazy to say. I think it's 9 years this year. And I just kind of want to make my planner like super me and like super functional and like have it be something that I actually use on a day-to-day basis. And another reason why I don't necessarily want to do the same exact format for my plan with me's is because honestly, you guys, I'm running out of my own kits to use and I haven't been able to really design any new kits lately, and I kind of go in spouts of like inspiration, and I'm just honestly not in one of those creative cycles right now for planner stickers and designing them. And inspiration always hits me in really weird bursts and spurts and cycles. Like I've mentioned, there will be times where I just am really into just making YouTube videos. And then there's a period where I am just into soap making. And then there's a period where I'm just into planner stickers and designing things. And I don't know, honestly, kind of right now, I'm really just in like a video game cycle. Like I just want to play video games and like watch true crime documentaries and just like relax and not do anything else. So I've kind of been in a less productive cycle lately, but I am a cyclical person and I know that everything will come back around. Just right now, I just haven't been in the most productive mood lately. However, one thing that I am really excited to start working on is rearranging and redesigning the layout of my office where I have like my computer. It's also like my filming space. And honestly, I have always been going back and forth trying to find like the perfect ideal setup, and I just have not been able to find that one true setup that just works for everything. And there's so many different types of videos I like doing, like my cooking videos, obviously, like those have to be done like in my kitchen area, but then my beauty videos are in here, but then my planner videos are kind of all over the place. So I kind of wanted to just like have a space that I can do like not everything, but I can do most things that I want to do all in one space. So right now I do plan on doing like a video dedicated to this as well. That will be coming up in the next few weeks on my channel, hopefully, fingers crossed. And I just want to like show you guys like a real deal, like not organized, like this is what my space looks like not make it look all picture perfect and aesthetic and all that kind of stuff, because as lovely as I wish my area looked like that and my filming space looked like that, it's just not it. I'm a very like cluttery person by nature, and I wish more than anything that I could like break that of myself, but I just know how I operate and how I function. And even if I did like declutter everything and make it all perfect and make it all clean and organized, it'll stay like that for about 2 days before it starts to get all cluttery again. So that is one of those like things I've really struggled with, is trying to like have that neat, perfect, everything has its place type of setup. And that goes for like everything in my life. That goes for like my bedroom, my bathroom, my kitchen, my house in general. Like there's lots of little bits of clutter, and I hate that about myself. But unfortunately, it's one of those things that like I said, I'll clean it up. It'll last about 3 days, 2 days if I'm lucky. And then it just kind of all goes back to the way it was. But all of this to say, I am finally working on kind of like rearranging my space a little bit. And I finally have come to the realization that the workspace area that I have right now for my filming and the planners and everything like that, it's just not working the way it is at the moment. And I currently have like 2 separate like little filming setups right now, whether I'm doing like my plan with me videos or with my beauty videos. And I really kind of want to consolidate the areas, so I ended up picking out this L-shaped desk that I think is going to be really nice. It does have a tiny bit of storage in it, not very much, but just a tiny bit, which I think will be perfect. And hoping everything turns out the way I want it to, I can have one side of the L-shaped desk for like my makeup videos, and then I can use the other side of the L-shaped desk for like my planner videos, and kind of have like a little setup that I don't have to keep like putting up and taking down every time I want to do a video. So that is what I'm actually going to be working on tonight. I think I'm gonna like hunker down like with some YouTube videos and just like bust out building this desk and this chair set and everything, and I think it's gonna be really good, and I'm so like pumped about it. But I'm also like, tomorrow is a filming day for me. So one part of me is like, okay, maybe I should wait until I get done with like my filming stuff tomorrow. That way I don't have the whole room torn apart, because I have to film tomorrow. Like I just am trying to get back on my schedule. So if I want to like not have gaps in my uploads like I did through March and April, I have to stay on like my schedule of filming. But right now it is actually 8:09 on Friday night, and you guys are going to be hearing this on Saturday, and so that is going to be my filming day for the week. And it's just a never ending cycle of like, gotta get things done, gotta get things done, gotta get things done. But I am so excited, and I think I'm just gonna like power through it tonight and try to get everything in the position that I want it. That way tomorrow everything will go smooth once I have another filming day. I do try to like batch film a lot of my content, just because I honestly don't have the time and energy to like sit down every single day and record a video. And it'd be great like if this was my full-time gig, but it's not. I have another job and other commitments I need to do, so batch filming is the way to go for me. So I am just going to stop blabbering, and I'm gonna actually go get on that now. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on social media. Links are below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.